What is SMT? Components are directly placed onto the PCB surface without drilling holes, secured by soldering paste and reflow soldering to achieve lightweight, thin, compact, and small devices. 4 core process steps. 1. Solder paste printing. Precise stencil applied paste. 2. Component placement. Micron level placement via high-speed machines. 3. Reflow soldering. Temperature controlled solder fusion fixation. 4. Inspection and testing. OE plus X-ray plus electrical testing. Core advantages of SMT. High space utilization. Excellent high-frequency performance. Cost reduction through automation. And support for micro-components. Kaboer professional support. Fully automated production lines in Shenzhen. Free DFM optimization. Multi-layer inspection for quality assurance. And integrated supply chain risk mitigation. For SMT, choose Kaboer, reliably crafting premium electronics.